Hey guys, how's it going? How to unlock invite friends on in Hamster Kombat. So first of all, go ahead and open up your Hamster Kombat on your Telegram. So I'm gonna open it up. So basically, go ahead and open the Hamster Kombat and click play in. Right. What you're gonna do next? You're gonna just go ahead and wait it out for a few moments right here, and then you're gonna go ahead and you're gonna see friends at the bottom. Click on it, and basically, as you can see right here, you can invite a friend and get 5,000 hamster for you and your friend, and invite friend with a Telegram premium, and you're gonna get 25k. Right. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and invite a friend right here, and you're gonna see a pop-up window that allows you to share the basically right here, click invite friends, and you're gonna be able to share it with your fellow friends on in Telegram or somewhere else. You could just copy the link, and then basically you're gonna be able to invite them and get 5k and for you and your friend. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.